Avalanche, help! In science class, we are studying weather hazards. Our weather hazard that our group is studying is an avalanche. We are trying to help prevent ways so an avalanche can't hurt or kill people. This is a person getting chased by an avalanche. He's the victim in this. The avalanche could run him over, or he could suffocate in the snow.
Avalanche. An avalanche is snow or rocks that fall from mountains.
These are the things that avalanches can do to people: sickness, death, injury, aspiration, destroy stuff.
Words to know. Avalanche. Snow or rocks falling down a mountain. Ice. Frozen water. Rock slide. An avalanche but with rocks. Snow slide. Snow sliding down a hill. Dangerous. Something is dangerous when it can kill you or hurt you. Our solution. How to prevent avalanches.
Flare to help signal for help. Paint explodes so victim can be rescued.
Hold for air. Melt surrounding snow so victim can breathe.
This is the cover of a whole project that we made.
Who is in our group? Jojo, Naod, Vincent.
Who is on our group? Naod, Joe, and Vince. We did Avalanche together. Yay!